on.
Scared. You're timid.
You're just timid? Here. Come here. Come on. Can you see it? No, you can't. You can't see it. Another piece of hot dog? Here. Here. Nom, 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 nom. See, that's not bad.
And I always try to clean the stuff from his eyes, but he doesn't let me.
Come on. You can't see. No, baby. That's your problem. So he's not barking. He's not standoffish at all. He's just trying to keep his safety distance because he's insecure. That's all.
He barks only when somebody comes in from the gate and stuff like that. He does bark at the dog over there, but it's never been like, it never sounds like an aggressive bark.
See, watch when I move, how he's just stepping back instead of coming at me, trying to charge at me. So he's not aggressive. His tail's in. That's just poor baby. All right, I'm going to send this off. I'm going to call you. Give me a couple of days. We're just trying to get the foster home situated because she has some dogs too.
Yeah, he doesn't seem to have
and
a
the
problem
transport.
with other dogs.
There you go. Now you found it.
Interested in her when we got her. She was the one who was more aggressive towards him, but he's always just been interested in other animals.
Okay.
Because even the cat, there's a cat that comes in here, and he tries to go and sniff the cat, but the cat,
Let me see if when I approach him, what he does. He just backs off. Okay. As long as he doesn't go at me. That's okay, baby. That's okay. I know.